Hey guys, so the August Pearlesque box, which I have been heavily featuring in my stories over on Instagram because I'm just so excited for this box, should have been my mail today. So I wanted to show you what's in the box this month and then also talk about a few of my other favorite products from Botanical. I can give you sort of like a mini review on most of them, or even like a full review. There's like one I haven't used. Just because I haven't needed it yet, but I did buy it. But I love Botanical. It's one of the best skincare brands that I've come across that is really affordable. It is the most affordable, like high quality skincare line that I've ever come across. Most of their products are $30 and under. There's only a couple in the $40 range, two of them. One of them's in the box, and everything else is pretty inexpensive. I do have a coupon code to save you 15% off any purchase, so it gets even more inexpensive. That never expires, so you can use it whenever you want, as many times as you want. I will leave that link down below, but they're a great brand. I discovered them at Indie Beauty Expo in Dallas last year, and I just fell in love with the brand. I fell in love with the packaging, the branding, the ingredients. Just the products themselves are so good and very effective for the low cost that they are. It really is, it's so hard to understand how they even are able to manage it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what's in the August box, talk about them a little bit. There is one product in here that I have tried, so I can tell you a little bit about it, and then talk to you about my experience with the other products from the line that I have tried, and then probably tell you a few that are on my wish list, because I almost did place an order, but I didn't know if I was going to get it in time to film this video, so I'll probably just place an order after this. So I haven't been this excited for a Pearlesque box in a really long time. I did like last month's box a lot. It was from Sahara Rose, I think it was, which was a great box, but this box is just so fantastic. And if you have been wanting to try Botanical, this is the perfect box to subscribe for. So the total value of the box is $106. There are 2 full-size products and 1 deluxe size. It's not really like a sample size. It's like a half size, I think. I think it's half of what the normal size is. So we have, like I said, we have 3 products. I'm going to talk about the one first that I have tried. It is the Luna Rose and Honey Glowing Mask. This is worth $30. So this has got honey, glycerin, rose, calendula, dandelion, jojoba, aspen, papaya, rosehip, chia seed, and chamomile and rose essential oils. So this is a deeply hydrating and repairing cleansing mask made with whole herbs, botanical extracts, and fruit enzymes blended with raw honey. Together, the botanicals help refine the skin while providing essential moisture, leaving you with a bright and glowing complexion. It says can be used daily as a cleanser or 2 to 3 times a week as a mask. I've used it both ways. I like it as a mask. I like it as a cleanser. I like it mixed in with another mask, which I'll talk about in a little bit, but this mask it's really great. It's got like a gentle exfoliation factor. It smells really good. If you love honey masks, you will love this mask. And for the ingredients, for its effectiveness, the price on this really just like can't be beat. So this is the first product in the box. I really love this. It's such a good mask. That's actually the first product that I bought from them. When I went to the Indie Beauty Expo in Dallas, I bought the honey mask, and then I bought their 2 hyaluronic acid serums. They only have 1 now. They discontinued the other one, which I'm kind of sad about. I really liked it, but they didn't see the point in seeing 2 hyaluronic acid serums, so I guess I get it, but they had a second really good hyaluronic acid serum. So that was the first product. The second product is the travel size of the Fleur de Terre Lavender and Violet Calming Elixir. This is one of their, I think, 3 mists. I'm pretty sure they have 3. I have 1. This is another one, and I think they have a second or a third one. I think they have a complexion elixir. So this is valued at $28. I do believe the full size is 100 ml versus 50 ml, and I think it's 34, I want to say. So this is suitable for most skin types, including very sensitive. It's wonderful for refreshing irritated and tired skin, sun-parched or wind-blown skin to soothe inflammation. It says the scent is floral and citrus reminiscent of lavender lemonade. That sounds really beautiful. It dissipates quickly, no additional essential oils were added, and the scent is derived purely from the hydrosols and the herbal infusions. So the ingredients are lavender hydrosol, aloe, lemon verbena, vegetable glycerin, violet hibiscus, jasmine, ginkgo biloba, lady's mantle, and then the preservative. So let's spray this for the first time together. It does kind of smell like lavender lemonade. That's really nice. I like that. So that's the second product in here. It's a toning mist. It is very beautiful. Very calming. So the last product in here, I am really excited about. I was hoping this would be one of the products in the box, and I was right. It is the Luna Fruit Enzymes and Starflower Overnight Resurfacing Oil. So this is the full size, and it's valued at $48. This is the highest valued item that they do sell. They do also sell one other elixir. It's in the calming. They have three different categories. They have the calming set, they've got the Luna, which is like their nourishing, like glowing set, and then they have the Air line, which is their like complexion clearing set. So they've got like a set for acne, one for sensitive skin, and one for sort of like all skin types. So this is a rich overnight resurfacing treatment for dry, sensitive, and uneven skin. It's a slow absorbing formula that will soften dry patches while the fruit enzymes gently exfoliate, working with skin's natural renewal process. A rich array of base oils increase circulation and repair damage. Whole herb infusions of licorice was added to brighten the skin. In the morning, the skin should feel smooth and supple. I'm so excited for this. So this has jojoba wax, argan oil, starflower oil, oils, olive-derived squalane, pineapple extract, papaya, pomegranate, cranberry, licorice, pumpkin, blue tansy, and then lavender. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. This was the first thing I opened up when I got the box because I wanted to smell it. So it is an oil. It does have a very slight like green tint because of the blue tansy, but it's just beautiful. Blends in really nicely. Smells really good. I'm really excited to use this. Oh, I do want to buy their calming serum. It's their other sort of like higher priced item. I think it's $42, and I'm probably going to buy that after I'm done with this video because I really want to try that too. So we'll talk about the wish list afterwards. So those are the three products in the box this month. I think this is a fabulous box, and if you've never subscribed to Pearlesque box, this makes the perfect first box. I love Live Botanical. I'm so glad that they're being featured as a full line in this box. They have been featured in Art of Organics, one product that I'm going to talk about, but I'm excited to see more products being featured because these are fantastic. So if you've never subscribed to Pearlesque before, you can use the code Danielle15 to get 15% off your first box. And that's sort of like a steal for these products. So the box is $39.95 a month. You can cancel and skip as much as you like. There's no limit on how many months you have to subscribe for or whatever. So there is an option to skip a month if you want to stay subscribed but you don't want next month's box. I do also like that they do announce their boxes before they send them out. I find that very helpful because some people don't want to be surprised. Some people want to know what they're getting so that way they can decide if they want to skip or not. So yeah, so the 15% off coupon will save you $6. So this will be $34 instead of $40. So you're basically paying for like the mask and getting the rest for free. So you can't really beat that. Okay, so that's all I've got for the box this month. Subscribe if you're interested. I hope that you are. So let's talk about some of the products that I've tried. I have their Air Green Clay and Maca Root Facial Clearing Mask. This is like their acne detox mask. I actually like to mix this with Luna. So I'll mix like a scoop of this, I'll mix a scoop of Luna, and I'll leave it on so that way it doesn't get drying, but I still get the detoxing effects, but I also get the hydrating and like glow boosting effects from the Luna mask. This is made with French green clay, Brazil clay, activated charcoal, vegetable glycerin, maca, sacha inchi, honeysuckle, and aspen, and then essential oils of oregano, lavender, and spearmint. So great for acne prone skin. Oregano, especially oregano, and then French green clay and Brazil clay, activated charcoal are all really great acne ingredients. So if you're looking for an inexpensive acne mask, definitely check this one out. One I have not tried yet is their Fleur de Terre Yarrow and Usnea skin repair balm. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. So it's just like a skin repair balm. It's like the Laurel Healing Balm. I did buy this to do a Save or Splurge with the Laurel Healing Balm because I do have that, and that one is a more expensive balm. So I did buy this for that, but I haven't used this one yet. But this is made with sunflower oil, apricot, yarrow, lichen, marigold. It does have beeswax in it, and then essential oils of lavender, frankincense, myrrh, and immortelle. So maybe I'll use a little bit of it on like my patchy area down here. Give it a go. It smells beautiful. It has like a light creamy texture. So I need to start giving that more of a try so that way I can do that Save or Splurge on those two products for you. One of my favorite products is the Blue Tansy and Babassu Whipped Botanical or Balancing Whipped Serum. This comes in different packaging now. It comes in the same packaging that the mask comes in. It comes in the dark violet glass jar like this. This was their very first iteration of it, and it came in these like little screw-on aluminum tops. So I've had this a while, and this is a great like blue tansy balm. I use this when my skin is really irritated, when it's like really sensitive, when I need it to like calm down. So this has babassu oil, cranberry seed, sunflower seed, grape seed, passion fruit, lavender, lemon balm, self-heal, and then essential oils of blue tansy, juniper berry, and lavender. I really, really love this. I actually used their hyaluronic acid serum. I used this on top, and then I used my moisturizer. And my skin was really red before. It's really sensitive for some reason right now, so I need to tone it down on like products in general because I might have over exfoliated it or I sensitized my skin somehow. I'm not really sure what I did. So I need to sort of take it down, maybe just use my my self-heal balm. But this is really great at toning down redness. It's really great at calming. Blue tansy in general is really great for calming skin. So as you can see, I've used a big chunk of this. I really, really like it. It melts like instantly when you put it on your fingers. Because it's just like a whipped oil, and then the minute that it hits your fingers, it just melts into an oil, and then it just glides right on the face. It's so beautiful. It smells amazing, and it's a blue tansy balm at a price you can't really beat. It's like 30 bucks. And the other blue tansy balms on the market are way more expensive than that. So there's that. That's beautiful. I did talk about the hyaluronic acid serum. This is their old serum. This is the one I bought last year at the Indie Beauty Expo. I am almost out of it. I am just trying to finish it up so that way I don't waste it. But this is their old formula. It's their Air Aloe and Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The old formula and the new formula have the same ingredients, but the new formula has more hyaluronic acid and multiple weights of hyaluronic acid, where this one just had one weight. But it's aloe vera juice, green tea, hydrosol, sodium hyaluronate, and the preservative. So yeah, the ingredients are exactly the same. It just now comes in a pump instead of the dropper, which I like the pumps a lot better. It also comes in the violet glass, so it keeps it protected for a lot longer. And like I said, it has more hyaluronic acid and multiple weights of hyaluronic acid, which makes it so much more hydrating. This is not very hydrating, honestly. I use a lot of it to get my skin hydrated. But I notice a huge difference in my skin when I use this versus this one, but I'm just trying to use this one up. I mean, I could mix them probably and save myself from being miserable, but it's still a good serum, but the new one is much, much better. And it's also, again, a very inexpensive hyaluronic acid serum that's super, super effective. So I think this, again, is like $32. You can't beat that price in like any other brand. So give it a try if you are dealing with really dry skin, like a lack of hydration, your skin is really dehydrated. Add a hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is like the perfect one to try because it's inexpensive, but it works amazingly well. So just trying to finish up my old one so I can get back to using this one, but this is a great serum. So the last two products that I have are both from the Luna line. I have the Lemon Balm and Hemp Seed Nourishing Cleansing Oil. Just a really great emulsifying cleansing oil. I love this. It's sunflower oil, hemp, camellia seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, jojoba wax, lemon balm, lavender, heal all, rose, chamomile. It has the emulsifying agent and then rosemary leaf extract. It's really great, really, really effective. It's like very silky on the skin. It doesn't take much to emulsify, just a little bit of water breaks it down. It's a really great, inexpensive cleansing balm that works really well. It removes all makeup. And that's from the Luna line. And then the other one I've got is the Rose and Sea Berry Nourishing Moisture Elixir. And this is just a really great toning mist. It's made with rose hydrosol, aloe, water, sunflower seed oil, sea kelp, rose hip, sea berry, squalane. So a great hydrating serum with the aloe and a lot of other really great ingredients in here. I really like this one as well. This one has a much finer mist than the other one does. I don't know if it's the packaging. I don't know if all the bigger ones have a better mist, but it's got a finer mist than the one that came in the box did. But it could also be the formula too. So it's got a really fine mist. It's really beautiful. I love this. So those are all the products that I have from Live Botanical. I do really want to try their clearing serum. It's like a $10 acne serum. I really want to try that. I really want to try their complexion from their airline. I want to try their cleansing gel and their toning mist from that collection. I also want to try the calming serum. I have tried their body butter before. I did get a sample of it. It is a little on the greasy side, but I can't remember when I use it. I can't remember if I use it in summer or winter, but I do really want to try their rain. It's like the forest, Northwest Forest one, and try it again in the winter because I really want to try it when it's like cold, and I'm using a lot of body butters and stuff. But it is a nice formula. It is just a little bit, it leans a little bit greasy, but that is nice. They do also have a few body products. They've got bath salts and body creams. I think they have a milk bath too, which I might want to pick up. So I really want to try a few other things, and it is a line that you can sort of afford to buy quite a bit from because they are a lot more inexpensive than a lot of other brands, especially ones that I've featured. So they are really great. I love that line. The ingredients and the products are just fantastic, and I highly recommend really anything because all the products have been really great and beautiful and really effective, and I love that they're so affordable because that just makes them so much more easily accessible to everyone. So I'll link them down below. I will leave my code down below in case you want to do some extra shopping. Sign up for the Pearlesque box if you are interested in trying Live Botanical. You really can't beat this box. It is such a good one. I'm so glad that Pearlesque and Live Botanical paired up. I'm really excited about it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I hope that it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.